Welcome to our tutorial on how to seamlessly integrate an Instagram feed into your PageFly page. By adding an Instagram feed, you can engage your audience with dynamic content and showcase your brand's personality. Let's dive in how to use Instagram feed element in PageFly. First things first, you need to access Instagram feed element. Click on the Add Element function on the left toolbar. Drag and drop the element you want into the page editor and then start using it. Now let's integrate Instagram account into PageFly. If you have not added Instagram account before, you will see this notification. To active Instagram feed element, please connect to your Instagram account. Before connecting to your Instagram, remember to log into your Instagram account first. Click on this button to connect your Instagram account. Select the Allow button to grant PageFly permission to access your profile information and media content. Back to Page Editor, you will find that access has been granted. All images have appeared on the canvas. Head to General tab to configure the Instagram feed. You can adjust the total items here. The max value is 20. By default, it will show 4 newest items. With layout setting, you can choose to show in grid or slideshow layout. If you choose grid, the feed will show like this. You can customize the items per row and item spacing. Enable equal height and set height for the image. With slideshow layout, you can set items displayed, items to scroll, item spacing, display partial items or not. You can set navigation type and pagination type along with enable equal height. There's more. Let's not forget to switch to Styling tab to make the feed more appealing. You can adjust the spacing, add border or some effect for the Instagram feed. Let's save and publish the page to check. And there you have it. Adding an Instagram feed to your PageFly website is as easy as pie. Now you can share your latest photos and updates with your audience in style. When clicking on a random image, you will be directed to your Instagram feed. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.